Hi folks, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to clean the data using Excel easily. So, when we are having some data and that data has some missing values or invalid records which create discrepancies in the output at the end when we perform some aggregation. So, in order to do that, I am creating a new workbook. So, to load the data I am having. So, for that, I am going to the data tab. So here in Excel provides multiple operations or multiple functions in order to perform on our data. So here we have get data from text, CSV, from web. We can have multiple data sources that we can get the data. So I will go to the data tab, and from there I am going to press the get data button, and here we can see the data sources that is provided by Excel. So here I am having a CSV file, so I need to select from text or CSV file format. So here we can see those different type of formats that is supported by Excel. So or I can directly go and click on from text or CSV, that is in the menu bar. So I am going to click on from text or CSV. So from there it pops me up with an upload button in order to import the file. So once I import, here I will get another pop-up to load or transform the data. So first I can load the data or I can transform data and then load. So here we can have the overview. So here we can have load and load into load 2. So load 2 will go to the particular sheet we specify. So here I am going to select load or transform data, whichever I want. So first I am going to transform data and then directly load it. That's the better option. So that's the better practice too. So first I am going to click on transform data. So in order to change the data types of my data. So here it opens me a Power Query editor. So from there we can see the data types are different from the original one. So I will select the data types which we need to be replaced. So here I am changing the text into an date format. So here also, so when we do not change these data types, we are unable to perform the aggregations. So here we are having the age column as text, so I am changing it to an whole number. So we are having decimal types and everything, so I will change it to an whole number. And we can see that if if it is in text format, we can see there are some special characters and some characters that are present in the column. So if we are using a whole number, so we can only have the numerics or the integers that are present in the column. So remaining will be the blanks when we try to load the data. So once everything whatever the transformation and everything are okay with us, and we will go to the close and load. So once we press the close and load, the data will be loaded into our Excel sheet. Here we can, otherwise we can go there and edit. So it will guide us to the Power Query editor again, so in order to transform the data again. So let us consider this table as an employees table of my company. So here I am having an age column, and age column shouldn't have the blanks, so age shouldn't be 0. So for that I need to fill with some value. So let me consider it as 23 as a default value. For this I cannot do it on the whole database, filling the blanks. So for that we have an option provided by the Excel in order to fill whole blanks at a go. So for that we need to press Ctrl Z, and here we can see the special. There we can have multiple options in order to select our select rows which are in our columns. So here once we press the select option, we can have so let me press this special option, and then I am going to select the blanks. So here we can see there are different options that are provided by Excel in order to select our cells. So here I am selecting the blanks. So once I click on blanks, the blank cells will be selected. So from there, if I press enter, it only fills the current row. So we shouldn't do that. So the selected row doesn't reflect. So there is no use for that. So if we want to do that, we need to press Ctrl H. So the whole selected rows will be reflected. So 23 and then Ctrl H, it gives me the records. And so here I want the average, right? So I am going to the cell and pressing the average. So I am getting the average at the end of the whole table. So in this way I am going to fill the blanks. Here if we want to find some max, so if I am not doing this before the transforming data and changing the data type, we are unable to get the date column here. So for the same reason we are doing the transform data and then we load. So here I am getting the Kate as 30/12/2022, the first employee. In this way we are able to handle the blank cells. So we have multiple data cleaning techniques and data transformation techniques that we can perform. So in future videos we are going to look into those. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll connect with the next videos.